Hi guys, my name is Rai and welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay ipapaliwanag ko yung my study journey on Copp College before and sasagutin ko yung iba mga katanungan na na-receive ko through my email. So simulan na natin. So we have a question from Anne and she's asking about kung legit ba daw ang Copp College. Well, actually, masasabi ko siya na legit kasi accredited siya ng CHED. You can check their accreditation sa CHED. And at the same time, isa sila sa mga naunang mga distance learning school na nag-offer ng modular class for students na hindi actually makapunta sa physical school. So, another question is magkano ba daw ang tuition fee sa Copp College? Ang tuition fee po sa Copp College during my time po is 1,000 per unit. So usually po ang isang subject na may 3 units, it costs you 3,000 pesos. So per one subject pwede na po kayo 1 or 3 subjects pwede na po kayong mag-enroll. So for each subjects, it costs you, for 3 units subject, it costs you 3,000 pesos. Next naman po na tanong is, parehas lang ba ang curriculum ng distance education or distance learning sa traditional school? Yes, ang sinusunod po nila na curriculum po is the same din naman po sa traditional school. So kung ang traditional school po ay may 3 or 4 years curriculum na sinusunod, ganun din po sa Copp College. So 4-year course din po yung equivalent ng mga courses po nila, mga bachelor's degree courses po nila. And another thing po is kung yung sa traditional po na tinatapos usually ng isang student ng 4 years, sa distance learning, pwede nyo siyang matapos ng mas maaga sa 4 years. Like for example, 2 years or 2 years and a half. Kasi nga po, fast-paced yung sa distance learning. And at the same time, pwede mo nga siyang matapos yung isang subject ng mas maaga pa doon sa exact term po niya. Pero the same din naman po yung makukuha nyo na curriculum sa the same with the traditional study. And another question po is, pwede ba daw sa mga OFW? Yes, pwede po sa mga OFW. I am an OFW po before and currently also I am an OFW. And through distance learning po, nag-aral po ako before when I was still in Kuwait for my AB Psychology degree and for my BSBA degree at Copp College. Ano ang mga courses po? So, ito po yung mga courses po na ino-offer po ng Copp College. We do have AB History, AB Psychology, AB Economics, AB English Language Studies, AB Political Science, Journalism, AB Sociology, AB Information Technology, and they do have also BSBA or Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, major in Human Resource Management, major in Financial Management, major in Operations Management, and major in Business and Economics. So, mahirap ba mag-aral sa Copp College? Well, I believe hindi naman nakabase lang ito sa distance learning. Well, actually, distance learning man po or traditional school, talaga mahirap naman po talaga ang college. So, nasa sa inyo po kung paano nyo ibabudget yung time nyo to finish your course. May online class po ba? Wala pong online class. Modular po sila lahat. May diploma at TOR ba binibigay? Yes, may diploma at TOR po na binibigay. May graduation ba? Yes, may actual graduation po ang Copp College. So, this year po, 2024, gaganapin po yung graduation nila sa PICC. So that's all. I hope nasagot ko po lahat ng mga questions na ibinigay po sa akin. And see you again on my next vlog. Bye!